His mother is one of my leaders in the church in South Africa.
Who, Floyd Shivambu's mother?
Yeah.
In South Africa?
His mother is one of my leaders in the church in South Africa.
Who, Floyd Shivambu's mother?
So that was Shepherd Bushiri there exposing Floyd Shivambu's mother there to say that she works under him in South Africa in one of the churches there. So you can see that there are definitely close ties, between the Shivambu family and Shepherd Bushiri. And also in the past few months ago, Floyd Shivambu did visit Shepherd Bushiri in Malawi, which was then used, as a trigger point to fire Floyd Shivambu from MK Party. So the reason why, it's kind of questionable for Shivambu, Floyd Shivambu to be in close ties with Shepherd Bushiri is because, Shepherd Bushiri is actually wanted in South Africa to answer for a number of crimes that he is said to have committed in South Africa. For someone like him, Floyd, who has ambitions to become, the president of South Africa, it's something kind of like concerning, for him to be in close ties with such a person. But anyway, Floyd Shivambu himself sees no problem with that. His followers, they see no problem in that. I mean, Vusi Khoza just recently he labeled Floyd Shivambu as the Moses of our generation, who is going to be taking them out of Egypt. So nothing's going to be happening. I'll catch you guys on the next one.